Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Mrs. O'Hara. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 4 of our singing assembly while we've been in lockdown. It's nice to see you all, and nice to see you as well, Mrs. O'Hara, on our Thackley toilet roll challenge.
Yes, it was very good fun, wasn't it? Seeing Team Thackley all doing their bit. I think there's some of the year 5s actually who've had a go at them doing their own toilet roll challenge video, which was lovely to see.
It was brilliant. And just one question. Did your dog get the toilet roll?
No, we managed to wrestle it off her in the end. We were safe.
Oh, good. Still usable then. Right, what are we going to sing this week then, Mrs. O'Hara?
Oh, we'll have to get started with a bit of a wake-up, shake-up, I think, get ourselves moving.
See if I can
think
find
one of the lovely things while all the different schools have been in lockdown is to see that other schools are joining in and singing some of the same songs that we are, and kind of just knowing you're not on your own is just a really lovely feeling at the moment. So it's great when we've got favourites like this that children up and down the country all know and love.
This is a classic. Are you ready to wake up, shake up?
Yes. Get our bodies moving.
Better than a bit of Joe Wicks, this is. Here we go. Brilliant. Love that song.
I know, it is one of the school classics, really, isn't it?
It is.
It's
Remember
brilliant.
last week when we were singing that song called Sing?
Yes.
I've got a theory. Did you see the big night in on Thursday?
On the big TV show, yes.
Well, the very last song that they sang was Gary Barlow singing the song that we sang. Do you reckon that maybe he might have been watching our singing assembly last week?
Well, we could be internet stars. You never know. He could be one of our 70 watches or whatever it is.
It happened for Ant and Dec. It might happen for us. You never know. Right, what's the next song then, Mrs. O'Hara?
Well, seeing as we are the best singing school in Bradford, I think we should have a go at trying to learn a new song. Now, I say it's a new song, but you know those suspicious moments where you're like, I'm pretty sure we have sung this before, but maybe it was with choir that we did it. but it's definitely familiar. So maybe we've done it before, maybe we haven't. It could all be, maybe I'm making it up.
So
a bit like I am now.
So this is I Have a Song to Sing. So should we have a go and see what happens?
Yeah, it's quite repetitive, so you could listen to the first couple of times and then join in after you've heard it a little while.
Okie dokie, let's have a go. I have a song to bring. It has a simple melody. Let everybody sing. There's life in our unity. There's hope in our song. I have a song to bring. It has a simple melody. Let everybody sing. There's life in our unity. There's hope in our song. I have a song to bring. It has a simple melody. Let everybody sing. There's life in our unity. There's hope in our song. I have a song to bring. It has a simple melody. Let everybody sing. There's life in our unity. There's hope in our song. I have a song to bring. It has a simple melody. Let everybody sing. There's life in our unity. There's hope in our song. I have a song to bring. It has a simple melody. Let everybody sing. There's life in our unity. There's hope in our song. There's life in our unity. There's hope in our song.
Oh, I like that one.
I know what's
Simple
going to happen.
but effective.
That's going to get stuck in my head now all week, isn't it?
You'll be doing the washing up. It'll be like the chicken song all over again.
Don't remind
Addison
me
was
of the
singing that
chicken
all
song.
week.
We're chicken and I'm having a bowl. Yeah, I don't want another one of those, thank you. And the last song, well, it's a classic in our school, isn't it? We absolutely love this song.
Yes, I was in school last week with some of the key worker children, and it was Holly and Alex who suggested this one for singing assembly. And as soon as they said it, I was like, oh yes, definitely, we'll have to get that one going.
Yep.
So fingers crossed.
It's ready, and I'm ready to belt this one out. I can't wait, and I hope you all enjoy this one at home. I reckon that there's going to be a few adults singing along to this one too. Here we go. I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say. We don't want your broken parts. Learn to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, you say. No one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut you down, I'm gonna send a flag, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am true, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. Another round, it's my spirit. Well, fire away, 'cause today won't let the streets in. We are bursting through the barricades. Won't let them break me down. I know that there's a place for us. Only a glorious. I'm gonna send the bird, gonna drown mine. This is brave, this is true, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Hey!
Ah, fantastic.
Right. Just trying to see if I can stop.
Pause.
Here we go.
There it is.
Look at this.
That's looking very snazzy. Is that Mr. Waddington there?
Yeah, funny that we got the last song that was from YouTube. We got with the lyrics for This Is Me. And there we go. This week, Mrs. O'Hara, for the first time, Singing Assembly is going to go onto YouTube. Sorry, there's my cat just walking across the screen. He wants to be involved. Kitty was on last week, and this is coming on this week. So we've got this new YouTube page, which is going to have all our videos on of all the stories that we've done, and our singing assemblies are going to be on there as well, Mrs. O'Hara. It's so exciting.
We can be internet stars now.
Absolutely. Well, that's it. It's nothing going to stop us.
Hand out autographs for a fee.
Nothing's going to stop us now. I think that was a famous song, 1980s. No,
don't start a music quiz on me. I can't cope.
Oh, that was fantastic. Well, we just hope that you have enjoyed your singing assembly this week, and we look forward to hearing any suggestions that you might have for next week or the week after. We're very excited for next week's singing assembly, aren't we, Mrs. O'Hara?
Yes, something a little bit special, but all will be revealed. All will be revealed.
You'll have to tune in 9 o'clock again next week, on Wednesday next week, to see what special thing we've got in store for you.
I look forward to it then, Mrs. Murphy.
Okay, have a good week, Mrs. O'Hara, and all the children.
Have a good week. Take care, everyone.
Bye. Bye.